You need a screwdriver here, obviously. And it's up to your discretion whether you want to sand this or not. I'm using 600. I also have 80 grit, but 600 looks like it's good enough. I'm not gonna get really picky about it. Just gonna remove some of it. Wash it off, wipe it down. Then I'll prep it up. Okay, so it's mostly prepped up, ready to go. Now, I don't know if you guys ever ridden at night. What I like about this pipe, that it glows at night. So, I'm gonna spray maybe 2 coats and that's it. I only want it to be darker color. I don't want to leave it thick black because I want to be able to see that glow at night. And I don't want a lot of overspray. So make sure you guys protect everything that you don't want black. For example, I didn't protect this because I want this black. So what I'm using is Rust-Oleum high heat. It's supposed to be good for 2000 Fahrenheit. So we'll see how good it is. Again, I'm gonna do light coats. Always test the spray away from it first. You guys see that black already? That's just one spray. I'm gonna do these. And I'm gonna get at the bottom. I'm not gonna get on the other side because you can't really see it. I'm not trying to get a lot of overspray like I said. Just the parts you can see. Like that, I don't mind leaving it just like that, but I am going to do a second spray like I said. Okay, it's dry now. That's how it looks. I'm going to apply the second coat and that's it. I'm gonna finish painting this, then I'll show you guys the next step is putting the heat guard. Okay, so that's how it looks now. This is the heat guard I got at eBay. There's different sizes, different colors. There's like gold, silver, black. I wanted black, but apparently they didn't have black. I'm taking the quad out here in like 2 weeks from now, and I wanted it ready. So there's the piece. It's bendable, so I'm gonna put it on there, bend it in there. It should stand out pretty nice. You're gonna put the bolts. Hopefully they line up right here, but if not, it comes with this too. These straps, you can use zippy ties. I might use zippy ties actually because that chrome is gonna send out too much. Or if I could find these in black. So in here, bend it. That looks nice. I can take out these bags now. So it took a while, a long time. I ended up using the straps. The screws did not fit anymore. But that's the end result right there. Once I have my quad ready and clean to go to dunes, I'll show you guys a better picture of this. And I'll keep you guys updated to see if it even protects from the heat. I like it though. It stands out. Okay, so here's an update, guys. I turned it on for like 10 minutes to see what would happen. It was smoking a lot, and that was due to it burning the paint. It changed color here, and the candy apple red kind of dulled out a little. You can't really tell on the camera, but in person I can see it. I haven't gone riding on it, but I'm assuming this is gonna keep burning off till it gets to this gold color, which is still gonna look nice with gold, but I wanted this color. Anywho, I contacted the people I bought this from on eBay, told them I didn't like him, sent them a picture, and they gave me 50% back, which was like $8. Again, this piece didn't cost me that much. It's like $16 and some cents. But yeah, still looks better than it was before. For $8, I'm not that mad. Now on to my next project, my next video. If you guys want to check it out, I'm replacing these bad boys, putting new Nerf bars to make this baby stand out more, so I can be safer when I'm riding out there in the dunes. If you guys want to, again, it'll be on the next video. If you guys want to check that out, like my video, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day, guys.